All right, let's get to know our camera a little bit. We've got motion sensor, lens, invisible flash, day and night sensor, external power input, industry standard 1/4 inch by 20 threads for third-party mounts, such as this one. And then on the inside of the camera, we've got our SD card, our SIM card, our ICCID sticker. Before we jump into settings, I'll show you how to view and delete images and format your SD card. So while in setup mode, when you see what the camera sees here, press the up arrow, and this will allow us to access all images. Right now we just have one on this camera, a test picture. And to delete that, we'll press the menu button. And then here we can delete. We can choose to delete one picture or all pictures. We'll delete all. All right. Now to format our SD card, if needed, up arrow, menu, and format. OK button. Yes, we are sure. All right, a few quick settings that you'll want to keep an eye on. Cam mode can be picture, video, or picture plus video. Now this is what your camera will take every time it detects motion. Separately, we'll tell the camera what we want to send wirelessly. Some people like to take pictures and videos but only have the video sent wirelessly. To tell the camera what to send wirelessly, we'll go over to the 4G section, send pic and video, and this is where we would turn each one on and off, photo and video. Over in the PIR section, this is your passive infrared motion sensor. We can turn the sensor on or off. We can control sensitivity. We can set a delay between motion detection images. So your camera will detect motion, take a picture, send it wirelessly, and then this is where you might tell the camera, wait 2 minutes before you look for more motion. Time lapse would tell the camera every X amount of minutes or every X amount of hours, take a picture. On timer 1 and on timer 2 allow you to set different day parts. Let's say you only care about pictures dawn and dusk, or from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. or something like that. That's where you would set that here. Over in the 4G section, we've already reviewed send pic and video, send options, pic resolution. Most people just send a low-res picture to save on their wireless data, but you could send a medium or higher resolution picture. Just know that that's going to use more data and a little bit more battery. Send multishot. Over in the cam section, you're able to tell the camera how many images you want, and these are on 1 second intervals for each motion detection. And that's how many pictures the camera will take and save to the SD card. To send multiple pictures wirelessly, we've got send multishot, and you can just make sure that each picture that you want sent says OK. Max number per day, if you really wanted to manage your wireless data consumption, you could set a limit of 50 or 75 or 90 or whatever number of pictures that you want sent per day. Once the camera reaches that, it will no longer send pictures for that day. Pay close attention to web control. If this is set to daily, your camera will wake up one time each day to look for remote commands. And those remote commands could be settings updates or could be remote image requests. If this is set to instant, your camera is always awake and looking for those incoming commands. And that's a nice feature to have, but it uses a lot of battery power. Generally, people who use the cameras for hunting keep this on daily. People who use the cameras for security or surveillance are about a 50-50 mix between daily and instant. And last but not least, over in the other section, most of the time your camera will find date and time off of the internet once it connects to a nearby cell tower. But if for whatever reason your date and time are wrong on your pictures, you can update that here manually. Other than that, Enjoy your Yellowstone AI camera, and as always, don't hesitate to call us if you need any help.